Anita, how are you?
Hi, Jay. How are you? I'm
Yeah,
fine, thank you.
both met like twice, right? Yeah,
Yes.
and yeah. So could you sharing with us your background and what do you do for a living?
Well, I actually was born in India and raised in Hong Kong my primary years, and then went to Spain. My secondary years was in Spain, got married and came back to Hong Kong. Since 32 years. I've been in Hong Kong now. And by profession, I'm a counselor and a teacher. And yes, and I also help my husband run his business. So yes, I'm pretty hands-on, pretty busy. And I've got 3 children. All of them are grown up. I just got my eldest son married last year. So yeah, it's a big family, a lot of responsibility. Yeah.
Wow, amazing. So it's like three children already grow up. Yeah, so amazing. Soon you'll be like grandma, is it?
No hurry. Not in a hurry at all.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so so actually you are looking for weight loss, and what method you tried before or
To be honest, more than weight loss was about learning how to eat right, because I tend to skip meals very often, and I would be indulging whole day on tea. I would drink a lot of tea, and I realized that it's because mainly adjusting to the time also, and I'm busy on the run all day. I would skip my lunch and my breakfast and probably just sit down for dinner. And I realized that food itself was giving me a lot of anxiety. And at the same time, once I hit menopause, I realized that I was just gaining weight, not because I was eating too much, because I was not eating right. So that was making me lose a lot of confidence in my self-esteem. So, but I actually never tried any kind of diet, but I was just naturally skipping meal and not learning and not knowing how to eat right. So that caused a lot of health issues and very badly anemic. I've been having this anemic problem since many, many years, to the course of having to go and do blood transfusions. I've been doing it constantly every alternate years. So yeah, I mean, it came to the point where I realized I really need to do something about it. And it was about time that I should make some changes in my lifestyle.
Awesome. So how did you get to know about this Pendalin and Ton?
Actually, to be honest, I was following Muskan and Manisha on social media a lot, and they always inspired me. And Muskan reached out to me, and when she reached out to me, I kind of like read about it. I did a bit of a research, and I said to myself, well, you know what? Let me just go all in and see what is it all about, and let me give it a shot and see how I feel. Let me do something for myself this time for a change. So yeah, so she pulled me in. Yeah.
Your coach is Muskaan and Manisha.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, both of them is like, wow, so beautiful, mommy. Yeah. So how do you feel like after you joining this program? Yeah, I saw you have a great result.
Yes, when I initially joined, I was very excited, and going into the first or second day, it was a little bit overwhelming because I'm not used to eating that kind of food. And like I earlier mentioned, that food gives me that anxiety. So when I knew that I had to eat 3 meals a day and I had to increase my water intake, it was a little bit tough. But then Muskan would every time check in on me and tell me, Anita, hang in there, you can do it. This is what it is like, and don't give up. And she really, really held me all along when I was on my own low times. And I said to myself, you know what, I want to do it. I don't want to give up. And because that's how I normally believe, not giving up. And I went all in and said that I need to give that mindset and self-satisfaction. And I went all in, I stick to it. And when I saw the results coming in on the 5th day, I honestly couldn't believe it. And I was super, super happy. The fact that I could see the results, and then getting to see when I was posting my food, that was getting me that excitement every night, writing down what I'm eating, making a diary. It was more like a journal kind of a thing, that it was giving me something positive in my mindset. I was feeling very, very good about myself. Awesome. And seeing all the pictures. Yeah, everybody was posting.
So actually, when I first time met you on the Zoom call, and now you are talking with me, you are like different kind of person already. Yeah, the first time you are like feeling like not really confident. Yeah, but now you are like happier. Yeah, I can feel that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is your,
Thanks to the coaches.
yeah,
Thanks to all of them. Yeah.
so for the update, so what is your result? You are lost like,
Well, actually, I think it was 59 to 60, and now I am 57. So yeah, probably around 3 kgs, I would say.
it's amazing. Yeah, you just
Yeah,
like get started and you lost 3
yeah,
kg. Yeah, amazing.
yeah,
So keep it up. And
yeah.
what are the words of encourage words you want to give to the people?
Well, I would say, I mean, one thing, as they always say, health is wealth. Don't take your health for granted, honestly. You live once, live to the fullest. And I would say, remember your body. I've learned that your body hears everything that your mind says. So it's good that, don't say you can't do it. Everything is possible. And I strongly believe that the greatest gift that you can give to your family and to the world out there is a healthy you. So yeah, I mean, never say you can't do it. Everything is possible, because I did it, and I believe that everybody can do it for sure. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much, Anita. Yeah, and then I learned from you also. Health is wealth. Yeah, it's really important. Yeah. Who would you like to thank in the journey?
Well, I would love to take this opportunity and thank each one of the coaches who take out all their time and so much effort and giving so much time, their precious time, to all of us to make sure that we bring the best of ourselves. And I especially want to mention Miss Khan. She has always been there, really, from day one until today, checking on me, and not just as a coach, but as a friend, as a sister, as a younger, like a person that who's brought me up from my confidence and my self-esteem. And even also Manisha, who's reached out and told me that you can do it and don't give up. So yeah, I mean, I have to say thanks to all of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Anita, for the sharing. Yeah, you have a fantastic coach.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank